Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G vibrate when your outgoing calls are answered. So let's start. So just open your phone app and then tap on settings icon at the top right and then scroll down to the bottom and then tap on advanced settings and then scroll down to answering and calls this section, and in this section you can see here we have vibrate when your call is answered, this option. So just tap on it and you can see here we have two options, normal and none. So currently I have none, this option selected, so you have to select normal. So to select it, just tap on it. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now selected. So from now on, your phone will vibrate whenever your outgoing calls are answered or picked up. So that's it. It's now done. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.